Yo, it's your boy Jay Will back with another video. How to make money online with ClickBank direct linking using brand bidding. Let me log into fresh ClickBank account. Nothing's on it, as you can see. Fresh, crispy. I'm gonna go get this product real quick at the marketplace called VistaClear. I never promoted this product before in my life, so we're gonna test this product out today. As you can see, 109 average conversion, VistaClear. There we go. We're gonna hit promote. We're gonna use the video sales letter. Tracking options to put anything in there for now. Grab your link. Bow, copy. Gonna head over to ClickMagick, which is a tracking tool I use. I will leave a link in the description below on this tracking tool. Gonna paste that in there. Over here. ClickBank affiliate. Link name, VistaClear. VSL. Create the link. File, swing over to Microsoft Ads, create campaign. Visit the website, search ads, next. VistaClear. We're gonna do $100 a day. I can leave United States and Canada, unclick this, bow. Swing over to my keyword tool. These are the keywords we're gonna use. VistaClear, order VistaClear, buy VistaClear, VistaClear Vision, VistaClear Scam. I'm gonna type it in, exact match, phrase match, create keywords. Select all, copy, and paste that into Microsoft right here. VistaClear. Let's get it. Head over to the ad. Okay, we're gonna create ad. Headline number 1, VistaClear Vision. 90% off today only. Free shipping. Or I spelled shipping wrong. Order now. Okay, we're gonna create ad. Headline number 1, VistaClear Vision. 90% off today only. Free shipping. Or I spelled shipping wrong. Order now. Get over to ClickMagick, found VistaClear VSL. Grab our tracking link. Put the tracking link with the tracking link template right here. Paste that in there. Gonna put a slash. Type in query string. To grab that, type in device. Let me do that. Device. The query string will show you the exact match people typed in for you to get the sale. Device to show you whether it's a mobile device, computer, or a tablet. Here we go. Gonna paste that in there. Then we're gonna grab the official site. We're gonna put that in the mobile in the final URL. Bow. What you can do is take somebody description, just use that as our own description, whatever. Well, that's at 90% off. Set it at 90. $108 back guarantee. Take this. Wow. There we go. That's your first ad right there. Yeah, I'm gonna copy ad. I'm gonna type in VistaClear. Put scam. I'll leave everything the same. Bow. Save and complete. Start my bid off at $5. There we go. Scroll down. Add distribution. I'll be Bing and LL only. There we go. Save. Campaign created. Now, once this ad get approved, I'll show you guys all the results on the inside, whether I make a sale or I don't make a sale. But you can use this same exact method for any product on ClickBank in Max Bounty, Digistore 24, or any other affiliate network that you use. In the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. I answer back. You can also follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. I will leave that in the description below as well. I will also leave this software I'm using called ClickMagick as a tracking tool in the description below. You need that to do direct linking campaign on Microsoft Ads that you don't have to make a website. So that's very useful. I'll leave that in the description below.